Hey! Pull up, pull up.
Busy Signal is set to complete his first appearance in the United States this June. This, as the Watch Out for This Singer is among the headliners for Groovin in the Park 2018. Yes, the same event at which Signal's attempt at a debut appearance in that country last year ended prematurely.
As you hear me tell the crowd, I'm the first time to come perform in front of the people in live.
Groovin's founder and promoter Christopher Roberts is pulling out all the stops and ensuring that Signal's appearance in the Big Apple is what it promised last year.
Well, plans are well on the way.
The Door restaurateur turned promoter says in addition to Signal, Capleton, Romain Virgo and Babyface are already confirmed and promised. The biggest headliner for Groovin 2018 is yet to be announced.
We haven't announced the headliner as yet.
Oh, is that headliner Jamaican or an American?
You know, one of the things that we decided to do this year is to have a Jamaican headliner. Our patrons are asking for that, and luckily this year we're able to deliver that.
May we ask who that is?
The agreement hasn't been completely finalized, and also there is what they call a radius clause, so the artist is performing within a certain radius, within a certain time frame, so not until then we can announce.
Well, you seem very happy about this one.
I am very happy about this one, and I know that we all will be very happy.
All right, it will be a big Groovin.
It will be probably the biggest Groovin.
Groovin in the Park is set for June 24 in Roy Wilkins Park, Queens, New York.